Let me help you unlock Paschimottanasana with right eye line. The first thing you have to be aware of is Paschimottanasana is not only about hamstrings and calf but also about how aligning your hip flexor is influenced by your erect back. To get your chest active and move down, toes pointing you. For that, the first thing we are going to do is train our spine to be able to help our hamstrings and calf open up, aligning with your hip flexor. Feet together, hip width apart. Make sure to go for Michael Jackson, that is loading your toes without raising your heels up. Inhale, arms up. As you exhale, move down and down. The toes loaded will help your hamstrings and calf already extended to 30%. Palms down, you can bend your knees, resting your abdomen to the thigh, which will force your chest to be active. Without letting this connection go, try to straighten and straighten and straighten so that your hamstrings and calf are completely open to maximum extent. Way of training your back to be erect, aligning with your hip flexor rotated inward so that your chest is active. For better opening up of your hamstrings and calf, try to bend your elbows as you stretch so that your hip flexors are completely open. The more gap between your knee and chest is opening up and aligning your hip flexor does. So make sure to keep that bond well so that your chest becomes active with your hip flexor aligned well. And for that, your elbows have to be bent to maximum extent to bring your chin and shin closer. To actual Paschimottanasana. Inhale, arms up. You can see my spine being erect and chest active. In the same alignment, exhale. Either grab your big toes and your toes have to be facing your side so that your hamstrings and calf are 30% already extended. Either grab your ankles as first. Second level is side of your feet. And the third level will be big toes. Make sure to keep your back straight, elbows bent so that your back and chest are maintaining the alignment of being erect. With that, slowly go down. Remember, the goal is not to reach your forehead to the shin, but to keep your chest active, and from the base of your hip with open and aligned hip flexor, go down, 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 targeting your chin to the shin. See, easy. You can thank me later.